Hello friends, in this video I am talking about all about coupling. Okay, so let's get started and see the what is coupling, types of coupling and coupling uses. So let's get started. What is first? We are looking what is coupling. A coupling is a device used to connect two shafts together at their end of the purpose of transmitting power. The primary purpose of coupling is to join two pieces of rotating equipment while permitting some degree of misalignment or end movement or both. Okay, the role of a coupling: shaft fitting. First is transmit power, second absorb misalignment, third absorb vibration to protect surrounding products, fourth do not transfer the heat of the motor etc to driven side. Okay, next is shaft coupling are used in machinery for several purposes. A primary function is to transfer power from one end to another end. Example: motor transfer power to pump through the coupling. Okay, other common uses of coupling is first to alter the vibration characteristics or of rotating unit. Second, to connect the driven and the driven part. Third, to introduce protection. Fourth, to reduce the transmission of shock loads from one shaft to another. Fifth is to slip when overloads occurs. Okay. Coupling types. First, there are commonly two types of coupling. First is rigid coupling, second is flexible coupling. Rigid coupling, flash coupling, slave coupling, mechanical coupling, gear coupling, steel coupling, chain coupling, metal coupling, beam coupling, bellow steel membranes, and elastrum, jaw coupling, rubber tire, and pin bush. No contact coupling, hydraulic coupling, and magnetic coupling. Okay, different between rigid and flexible coupling. So let's start it and see. uh, Alignment requirement, you can see this. Okay, so you can look the all coupling. First is rigid coupling, second slip coupling, flange coupling, split mop coupling, gear coupling, fluid coupling, universal coupling, oldham coupling, jaw coupling, bellow coupling, and next flexible coupling, constant speed coupling, diaphragm coupling, fluid dex coupling, and bushpin coupling, tire coupling. Okay, so let's get started and see the rigid coupling. So let's get the rigid coupling. First is flange coupling. What is flange coupling? Flange coupling are mechanical device used to connect two shafts together to transmit power or torque from one shaft to another. They consist of two flanges, one attached to each shaft end, which are then bolted together with a gasket or seal in between. Okay, flange coupling are mainly used for medium to heavy duty industrial appliances. Okay, flange coupling. This coupling is having two separate cast iron flange. Each flange is mounted on the shaft end and keyed to it. This coupling prevent catching clothes of workmen. Okay, this flange coupling is most accurate and rigid coupling. It is used for the heavy power transmission at the low speed. Okay, flange coupling are highly effective for the applications required a strong rigid connection capable of transmitting high torque. However, they may not be suitable for applications where space, weight, vibration, damping, or flexibility are critical considerations. Okay. Second is sleeve or muff coupling. What is sleeve and muff coupling? Sleeve coupling are simply hollow, cylindrical or pipes. They are manufactured with a diameter of the shaft in mind to ensure that the shaft fits well into the sleeve. The driven and driver shaft are installed on each side of the muff. Then they have holes used to firmly hold them together so that they rotate as one to transfer torque. Okay, the slip coupling are mainly used where the shaft do not require any alignment. Okay, next is flexible coupling. Let's see the flexible coupling. Flexible coupling are used to transmit torque from one shaft to another when the two shafts having both lateral and angular misalignments. Okay. Next, push pin coupling. What is push pin coupling? Advantage of push pin coupling: it can tolerate 0.5 degree of angular misalignment and 0.5 mm of lateral or axial misalignment. Second, it prevents transmission of shock from one shaft to another and absorbs. Third, it is simple to construction and easy to assemble and dismantle. Okay. Disadvantage of this coupling is the cost of flexible coupling is more than the flange coupling due to additional parts. Okay. This coupling consists of two flanges interlocked with a number of elements depending on the coupling size. Second, the cone ring coupling unique flexible elements compares tapered rubber ring mounted on steel pins. Okay. Third, the rubber ring absorb commonly encountered misalignment, shock, and the vibration. Fourth, the cone ring coupling is as popular as ever for its easy of maintenance. Fifth is no lubrication is required. Sixth, the pin and rubber design ensure trouble-free maintenance and they can be removed and changed without the need to take coupling of the shafts. Okay. The flanges are the high grade cast iron. The pins are hexagonal steel bar. The rings are the synthetic rubber. Okay. Let's see the next universal joint coupling. What is universal joint coupling? Let's get started. A universal joint, also called a universal coupling or U joint, is a joint coupling connecting rigid shaft whose axes are inclined to each other. It is commonly used in the shaft that transmit rotary motion. Okay. You can see next is advantage of this coupling is universal joint are the versatile coupling that allow the transmitting high torque between non-aligned shaft with the minimum side loads, making them suitable for many industrial applications. The double cardan joint configuration provides the additional benefits of the consistent velocity operations. Okay. Ability to transmit rotary motion between the non-aligned shafts, the form of angle with each other up to around 45 degree of a single use joints. Okay. Comparison for angular misalignment between the input and the output shafts. Okay. This is axial misalignment, radial misalignment, and angular misalignment. Okay. High torque transmission capacity for the given joint size. Torsional rigidity at the high level allow use where the backlash cannot be tolerated. Excellent transmission efficiency, especially when used to double cardan joint configuration, which is the provide the consist velocity. Let's see the disadvantage. Disadvantage of universal joint coupling. While the universal joint excel at the handling angular misalignment, they have the limitations in terms of a speed fluctuations, vibration damping, maintenance size, and the ring of misalignment. They can accommodate compared to another coupling types. A specialized design like the double cardan joints help to address some of these drawbacks. Okay. Next is speed fluctuation. A single universal joint does not provide a consistent output velocity. It's the output shaft rotors at the variable speed compared to the input shafts. This can the cause vibration and wear in the system. Second, no inherent damping. Universal joint coupling do not have the ability to dampen vibrations unlike some other coupling types like the electromagnetic couplings. Okay. Next is maintenance requirements. Universal joints typically require the periodic inspection and relubrication of the metal or metal connections, unlike some maintenance free coupling designs. Next is longer footprints. Compared to more compact coupling types, universal joints generally have a longer overall length requirements between the connected shafts. Okay. Limited angle capacity. A single universal joint is the typically limited to operating angle up to around 45 degree using two universal joints. In series of A cardon joints is required for the large angles. Second is cannot accumulate axial misalignment. Universal joints are not well suited to handle axial misalignment between the shaft on their own, requiring additional components. Okay. Next is Oldham coupling. What is Oldham coupling? An Oldham coupling is a type of flexible coupling used to connect two parallel shafts with a small distance between them, allowing for both radial and the angular misalignments. Okay. In consistent of three discs. Two outer discs, typically made of the aluminum of stainless steel, are connected to either side of the drive. Second, a third disc made from plastic such as the acetal, nylon or PIC in the sandwiched in between the outer discs with the tongue and groove design. Okay. Advantage of Oldham coupling. So let's see. High parallel misalignment capabilities up to 10% of outer side diameter with the low bearing loads. Second, electrical isolations due to the plastic center discs protecting declete the instruments like the encoders. Third is low interior and the goods fluorescent stiffness, important for the precious motion control. Next is fail-safe design. Next is easy installation and repair. Next, low replacement cost and compact size vibration damping. This is the advantage of Oldman coupling. Okay. Next is gear coupling. This is the gear coupling. Okay. So let's say the gear coupling. Gear coupling are the types of flexible coupling used to connect two parallel shafts, allowing for both radial and the angular misalignments. They consist of two outer hubs with the external teeth, typically made of forged steel, that are the mounted on each shaft. A sleeve with the internal teeth that matches with the external teeth on the hubs. Okay. Advantage of gear coupling: a high torque capacity, second ability to accumulate parallel, angular, and the axial shaft misalignment. Third is compact size. Fourth is fail-safe design. Fifth is robust and durable construction. Sixth is efficient power transmission. Seven is flexibility in applications. Eight is torsion stiffness, and nine is shock absorption capabilities. Okay. Gear coupling are the widely used in industrial applications such as the cranes, hosts, conveyors, fans, pumps, compressor, and the gearbox. Due to these advantage features, properly selection and the maintenance are critical to ensure reliable long-term performance. Okay. Next is beam coupling. What is beam coupling? A mechanical beam coupling is the type of flexible coupling used to connect two parallel shafts, allowing for the both radial and the angular misalignment. It consists of a single piece of material made flexible by the removal of material in the heliaxial pattern along its length. Okay. Advantage of mechanical beam coupling. First is high flexibility to accommodate angular, parallel, and the axial misalignment. Second, compact and lightweight design. Third, lack of backwash. Fourth, fail-safe design. Fifth, electrical isolations. Okay. Disadvantage of beam coupling. First disadvantage is limited angular misalignment capability. Second is reliability, low torsional stiffness. Third is potential of premature failure. And fourth is moderate Bing's loads. And fifth is stainless steel beam couplings. Okay. And six is lack of mechanical fall fuse and more expensive than the some other coupling options. Okay. Beam coupling have the limitations in the torsional stiffness, bearing loads, and the cost to need to be careful considered when the selecting the appropriate coupling for the applications, proper sizing and the applications matching in the critical to avoid premature failure. Okay, metal below coupling. What is metal below coupling? So let's get started and see the metal below coupling. Okay, metal below coupling is a type of the flexible coupling used to connect two shafts while the allowing for the misalignment. It consists of the thin-walled corrugated metal bellows made of stainless steel or other high strength alloy connect between the two hubs. Okay, advantage of metal bellows coupling: first is high torsional stiffness, second is ability to compensate, third is low interior allowing for the high speed up to 10,000 rpm, fourth is wear free maintenance free operation, fifth is compact lightweight, sixth is backlash free, seven is resistance to temperature extremes from minus 40 degrees celsius to plus 300 degrees celsius, and suitability for the high precision dynamic motions. Okay, metal bellows coupling are the commonly used in the industrial applications requiring high positioning accuracy such as the machine tools, medical equipments, robotics and test benches. Their combination of the flexibility, stiffness and low inertia make them the well suited for the demanding applications. Okay, disadvantage of metal below coupling: first is high price, second is high production accuracy requirement, third is limited angular misalignment capability, and fourth is potential for the fatigue failure over time, the repeated flexing. Okay, and fifth is sensibility of contamination, and sixth is difficulty in the field repair or replacement. Next is tire coupling. Tire coupling, also known as tire coupling, are a type of flexible coupling used to connect two shafts while the allowing for misalignment. They consist of a rubber tire element sandwiched between two metal hubs. Okay, advantage of tire coupling: first, a high flexibility to accumulate angular parallel and the axial misalignment between connected shafts. Second, shock absorption and vibration damping capabilities. Third is simple and quick installation and the replacement of the rubber tire elements. Fourth is maintenance free operation with no need for lubrications. Fifth is cost efficiency solution with low maintenance and requirements. Okay. Disadvantage is limited load capacity compared to other coupling types. Second is large overall size and the weight due to the bulky tire design. Third is potential for the high axial loads. Okay, and reduced performance at the high rotational speeds and lower torsional stiffing compared to other coupling tires, and shorter service life compared to metal coupling, and potential of uneven load distribution on the tire, sensitivity of the environment factors like the temperature, chemicals and containments. Okay, tire coupling commonly used in the applications with the difficult alignment. Okay, characteristics, vibration, thermal expansion and the high shock load such as the piston pumps, compressor, rolling mills, internal combustion engine, cruisers, mixers and wastewater treatment plants. Okay, or in this video I am talking about all about coupling. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can check out this PDF on my site www.bijitnaguruji.com. Thank you.